Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Wish Week. Continues here, and we have role models, Francis, we're gonna look at. So Francis is the song, and it's you, Nan Nguyen B80. I think that is about how you pronounce your name. I think you know who you are anyway. You wished for this song, Francis from Role Model. Nice song, guitar friendly till like 100%. So very nice to have this song here on Gordon Guitar. Thank you for highlighting it. And this is for you and all you Role Model fans. Let's take a look at this beauty here with a capo set on the 2nd fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. With that, we have 5 pretty easy chords. So let's go into this one, starting with G. And we're gonna look at the chords. G is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord is the D F. That is basically a D, but with an F sharp in the bass. And you can keep the bottom there from the G, okay, the 3rd B and 3rd E. And then you go to this position here. Recuperate your index and mid finger to 1st fret E string, open A, open D, 2nd G, and then 3rd B and 3rd E still there. That's the D F chord. Over now to C, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G B chord. All right. So that goes 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord is the A minor 7. So that goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we have the chords now. Let's look at the strumming. You know how it usually goes here on Gordon Guitar. First chords, then strumming. That's pretty much how it is. So if you grab the first chord, the G, then one string around is very easy. It's down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up. And a couple of rounds. All right, and it doesn't hurt if you sometimes do an extra up or down somewhere where it fits. I mean, this is not black and white always, and this song you will hear some differences sometimes, but this is pretty much the main pattern, and then it goes out sometimes like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But it's not that prominent, so it could be. Sometimes it changes like that. So anyway, stick to down, down, up, and that is perfect. So let's look at the verse play. Now you have G, 4 string rounds, D, F, 4 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, G, B, 2, and A minor 7, 4. That is one chord progression in the verse play. You're gonna do it for 2 rounds. Let's go for a round. G4, DF4, C2, GB2, and A minor 4. Starting on 2nd round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds like I said, and that is your first verse. Over now to pre-chorus. You just continue the same strumming pretty much throughout the song here. So pre-chorus starts with C2, GB2, and A minor 7 for 4 rounds. You do that for 2 chord progression rounds as well. So C2, GB2, A minor 4 like this. So 2 rounds of that as we just played, and that takes us to the first chorus. It's about 40 seconds into the song now, and it starts with hey, hey. All right, that's the lyrics. So you're gonna start with G4, DF4, A minor 7, 2, GB2, and C4. Okay, that is just a part of the chorus. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. And after that, you're gonna finish off the chorus with A minor 2, GB2, and C4 for 1 round. So G4, DF4, A minor 2, GB2, C4 for 2 rounds, and then A minor 2, GB2, and C4 for 1 round. Let's do it. One more time, G4, DF4, A minor 2, GB2, C4, and now A minor 2, GB2, C4. And that's your first chorus. All right, so we have done the first round, over now to second round, and it's very much repetition. Everything here will be the same. Second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus is played in the same way as we just learned. So that takes us to the bridge part, and then we're suddenly into 2 minutes and 22 seconds in this song here. It comes right after the second chorus. So what you're gonna do here is to play G4, then DF4, then C2, GB2, and A minor 7, 4. Okay, you play that for 1 round, and that is the bridge part. So G4, DF4, C2, GB2, A minor 4. All right, so that is the bridge part. What happens now? Yes, you go back to the third pre-chorus. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. Still the C2, GB2, and A minor 7, 4, but forget about the numbers there. We're just gonna play 1 down per chord. Okay, so just C, the GB, and the A minor 7. All right, but you do it for 2 rounds. Okay, but just 1 down, no strumming here, and this final pre-chorus. But then you're gonna start to strum the final chorus. That's the third one. And you play that in the exact same way as the previous choruses, from the exception that the final parts, the A minor 2, the GB2, and C4, you play that for 2 rounds instead of 1. So everything is the same as the previous choruses, but the last part, A minor, GB, and C, play that for 2 rounds in the same way with the strumming. And then it fades out after this final third chorus with the verse play. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. That's the G, D, F, C, GB, and A minor 7, 4. We know that now. That fades out the song from Role Model called Francis. All right, so great choice there. Nan Nguyen, B80, Francis fits guitar very well, and I'm happy to have that in the arsenal here in Gordon Guitar. Thank you for watching, guys, and consider subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Your possibilities are great with weeks like this, and we will be back for sure with these Wish weeks. There are huge success, and I see that you also interact and feel that you can contribute to this channel. So thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.